So, welcome everyone. We'll be focusing on complex questions on evaluation using logarithm table. The cell should evaluate to three significant figures. The cube root of 69.5 square minus 30.5 square. But if you notice, you see that this is not talking about division, neither is it talking about what? Multiplication. So how do we express this? You can pause the video and give it a try. But if you notice this, you see that this is 69.5 square minus 30.5 square, and this is minus. So this is like difference of 2 square. And if I have something like x square minus b square, this will give me a minus b in brackets a plus what? B. So this 69.5 square minus 30.5 square will simply give me 69.5 plus 30.5 in brackets, and another bracket 69.5 minus what? 30.5. Now 5 plus 5 is 0, carry 1, plus 9 will give me 10, plus 0, 10, 0 again, carry 1, and 3 plus 6 is 9, plus that 1, 10. So I have 100, which is 100.0, which is same as what? 100. And I'll do the same for the other. I have 69.5 minus 30.5. I'm subtracting 5 minus 5, 0, 9 minus 0, 9, and 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So I have it as what? 39. So I have 39 here. So this expression here given is same as saying the cube root of what? 100 in brackets 39. So take note of that difference of 2 square we did. I have to clean it to get more space. So we can write square root of, cube root rather, of 69.5 square minus 30.5 what square is equals to the what? Cube root of what? 100 bracket what? 39. And you see bracket is what? Multiplication. So we are good to go. So we have our number and we have our what? Log. Now we have 100 and we have what? 39. 100 will give me characteristics of what? 2, and 39 will give me characteristics of what? 1. And I'll check 10 under 0. And my 10 under 0 under logarithm, 10 under 0 is what? 0, 0, 0, 0. So I have 0.0000. And I have 39 also. So I'll check 39 under what? 0. 39 under 0 gives me 5911. 5911. Yeah, put my point. So bracket here means what? Times, which is addition. So I have to add. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So I've gotten this. But it says third root of what? 100 in brackets 39. So since it's third root, I'm to divide by what? 3. And when I divide by 3, or have this as, let me use that. I'll have this as 3 into 3 is 1 point. 5 divided by 3 is 1, remainder 2. Into 29, this will give me 9, remainder 2. Into 21, that will give me what? Into 21, that will give me what? 7. And into 1, that will give me what? 0. So I have 1.1970. So I'm to look for my antilog of 19 under 7 different 0. 19 under 7, using my antilogarithm of what? Number. 19 under 7 is 1574. 1574. 19 under 7. 1574. There's no difference of 0, so we'll leave it there. Now, this is 1. If I add 1 to it, I'll have 2. So I'll see my decimal 2 places after the real number. 6 is the first, 6 is the second, and I'll have my decimal what here. So the evaluation of this to 3 significant figure will give me 15.74 will be approximately equals to what? 15.4. Since 4 is not greater than itself, you can't add anything to this. Rather 15.7, and this is my answer. Thank you. Guess your surprise. So the next on our list is the third root of 8.3 raised to power 3 plus 1.7 raised to power 3. Again, there's no plus, there's no multiplication sign, neither is there division sign. So how do we resolve this? But if you watch, this cube and this cube. So we can use difference of 2 cube. For difference of 2 cube, if I have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this will give me a plus b in brackets a square minus ab, which is a times b, plus what? B square. So having 8.3 cube plus 1.7 cube, this will give me 8.3 plus 1.7 to give in brackets 8.3 square plus a minus rather, open brackets 8.3 bracket 1.7 plus 1.7 what? Square. Now 3 plus 7 will give me 10. 0 carry what? 1. Plus this one 2 plus 8 10. So I have 10.0, which is same thing as what? 10. So I've resolved this. For this other one, I have 8.3 square. You can use log, you can multiply directly also. So this 8.3 times what? 8.3. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 8 24. 8 times 3 24. 4 carry what? 2. 8 times 8 64. 64 plus 2 66. So I have 66. This will give me 9 8 8 6 1 2 1 2. So I have my what? So I have 68.89 here minus, I have 8.3 times 1.7. 7 times 3 is what? 21. 1 carry what? 2. 8 times 7 will give me, 8 times 7 is same thing as what? 2 times 4 times what? 7. 4 times 7 is what? 28. And 28 times 2 will give me what? 56. So 56 plus 2. 56 plus 2. 56 plus 2 will give me 58. So I have 8. Carry what? 5. So therefore I have 5 here. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 8 is what? 8. And this will give me 1. 10, 11. 1 carry 1. 6. 6 plus 8 will give me 14. And I have 1, 2, since it's multiplication, 1, 2. So I have 14.11 plus, excuse me, 1 plus 7 square means 1.7 times 1.7. 7 times 7, 49. 9 carry 4. 7 times 1, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 1, 1. This will give me 9, 8, or 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2.89. 2.89. So I have 48.89 minus 14.11. So let me do the subtraction here. 14.11. Subtraction, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 4, 4. And 6 minus 1, 5. So I have 1, 2. So I have 54.78 for the difference between this and this. And I'll add my 5 plus 2.89. Plus 2.89. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 carry what? 1. 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 carry 1. 2 plus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And what? 5. So I have 57.56 as the when I solve this. So this becomes 10 in brackets 57.6 what? 7. So the difference of this finally is equals to what? 10 in brackets 57.6 what? 7. So I can replace this as the cube root of 10 in brackets 57.67 bracket also. So I can use my logarithm principle now to solve. So since we have bracket is multiplication. So we have number, we have our what? Log. Now I have my 10. So you look at your logarithm table and get what? 10 under what? 0. But remember our characteristics here will be what? 1. So I have 1 point. 2 values minus 1 value is 1. So 10 under 0 here is 0, 0, 0, 0. And we have 57.6 or 7. 2 digit before the decimal, we have 1 as characteristics. 57 under 6 different was 7. 57 under 6 is 7604. 7604. And difference 7, 57 under 6. Difference 7 is 5. Yeah, 5. So here become 9. So I have 760 what? 9. Now, multiplication is to add, so I put my addition because this is bracket and bracket means multiplication. So 0 plus 9 is 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 6, 0, 7, 7, point what? 2. So I have the third root of what? 10 in bracket 57.6 what? 6, 7. So I have to divide this by what? 3. So let's do that. If I divide this by 3, I'll have 2 divided by 3 is what? 0 points. Here becomes 27. 3 into 27. 7, 8, 9. 9. 3 into 6 is what? 2. Into 0, 0. Into 9, 3. So I have this. Now I'm done with it. All I need to do now is to use this to look for my what? Anti-logarithm. And that's anti-logarithm of 92 under 0 difference 3. 92. I like checking my difference first. Difference 3 is 6. And 92 under 0 is 8318. 8318. Let me recheck. 92 under 0. 8318. And difference 3 here is what? 6. So if I add up, I'll have 10, 14, 4 carry 1, 2, 3, 8. So I have 3, 8, 3, 2, 4. So this is 8, 3, 2, 4. Now, my 0 here will determine where my decimal point will be. So 0 plus 1 will give me 1, and I'll have 8.324 as my answer. But they set to 3 significant figures. So my final answer will be approximated to 8.2 what? This is not up to what? 5. So I can't add anything. So it becomes 8.32. So this is my answer. Remember, we can always use our calculator to what? Check if our answer is what? Correct. The question is simply what? The cube root of 8.3 cube plus 1.7 what? Cube. So I simply press shift using my castle calculator. Shift roots. And I have 8.3 raised to power 3, close bracket, plus, open bracket, 1.7, close bracket, raised to power what? 3. Again, close bracket. So my answer is 8.3237. You can see it here. And it's approximately equal to what? 8.32 to 3 significant what? Figure. Thank you. Again, we have another technical question. It says we should evaluate 1.487 raised to power 3 minus 1 all over 1.487 raised to power 3 plus 1. Now, we don't have a division or a multiplication sign that is combining these two numerators. Instead, what we have is a what? Subtraction what? Sign. And at the denominator, we don't have multiplication or division sign combining the denominators. But what we have is an addition sign. And also this is 3. There's no raised to power 3 here. So we don't know if it's difference of 2 cube. We don't know if it's sum of what? 2 cube. But remember, this is equivalent to 1.487 raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3. Because from our indices, 1 raised to power 3 is 1 times 1 times what? 1, which is equals to what? 1. So in the same way, this is 1.487 raised to power 3 plus what? 1 raised to power 3. Now we can see that the top is difference of 2 cube and the bottom is what? Sum of what? 2 cube. Difference of 2 cube is simply A, using A and B. A raised to power 3 minus B raised to power what? 3 will give me A minus B in brackets A square plus what? AB, which is product of AB plus what? B square. And sum of 2 cube, A raised to power 3 plus what? B raised to power 3 will give me A plus B in brackets A square minus AB plus B square. So this is it. This is what we'll be using for this. Now, in the case of the numerator, we are going to have this as, let's say this is our A now. We have 1.487 minus 1 in brackets. 1 is B. And A, 1.487 what? Square plus the value of A and B. But 1.487 times 1 will still give you 1.487. So I have my plus the value of B. B is what? 1 here. So it becomes what? 1 square. And if I solve this, I'm going to have 1 minus this. This is 1.487 and 1.000. Subtraction, this will give me 784.0. So we have 0.487. Now this square, I have to square it. This square is going to 1.487 square. 1.487 square is 1.487 times 1.487. 7 times 7 is 49. I'll have 9, carry what? 4. 7 times 8 is 8 times 7, which is what? 2 times 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is what? 14, 14, 28. And 28 times 2 will give me 56. So I have 56 plus what? 4 to give me what? 60. So I have 0, carry what? 6. And 4 times 7 is what? 28. 28 plus 6, 30, 34. 4 carry what? 3. And 7 times 1, 7, plus 3, 10. Now, 8 times 7 is what? 8 times 7 is what? So, to save our time with this, we can also use our log to get this. So, I have 1.487 raised to power 2. This is the same thing as saying log 1.487 what? Square. Bring the 2 to the other side will give me 2 log 1.4 what? 87. Now, let's check for log 1.487. Log of 1.487 first will give you what? 0 characteristics, points, and I'll have 14 under 8 difference 7. 14 under 8 difference 7. 14 under 8. 14 under 8 is 1703. And difference 7 is 21. 1703 plus 21. There will give me 4271. So I have 1724. So I'll multiply it by what? 2. So I have it times what? 2 here. Here will give me what? 8. Here will give me what? 4. 2 times 7, 14. 4 carry 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Point what? 0. So I've gotten this. So I'll look for the antilog of this. So 34 under 4 difference 8. 34 under 4 is 2208 and difference 8 difference 8 is 4. So I have 2208, 34 under 4. 2208, difference 8, which is 4, plus 4. And this will give me 12. 2 carry 1, 1, 2, 2. So I have 2212. I have 0 plus 1, 1. So I have 2.212. Where is it? 2.212 plus 1.487 plus 1 square is what? 1. So if I add up this, I have 2.212 plus 1.487 plus 1.000. So this will give me 0 and 9. This will give me 9. This is 4. This will give me 6. This will give me what? 4. So my final answer when I add up these three will give me what? 4.699. And I have my second value here, 0.487. So for the top, I have this expression to be equal to this, 0.487 in brackets, another bracket, 4.699. Multiplication of the 0.487 and 4.699. Now let's try to do that of the bottom, which is the sum of the 2 cube. Sum of the 2 cube. So we've gotten our first value to represent our numerator. Now, for the sum of 2 cube, remember our A is this. We are using this now, sum of 2 cube. We are going to have, using this, A is 1.488 and B is what? This. So A is 1.488487 plus the value of B, which is what? 1. In brackets, A again, 1.487 raised to power 2 minus AB, which is 1.487 for A. AB, 1.487 times 1 will still give you 1.487, so I can leave it like this, plus my value of B, 1 what? Square. And if I add up this, I'll have 2.487 in brackets, this square will use the same method. We have 1.48 what? 7 what? Square. The same thing as saying the log of 1.487 raised to power 2. So we have 2 log 1.487. This will give me characteristics of what? 0 points. So I'll check 14 under 8 difference 7. 14 under 8 is 1406. Oh, this is anti-logarithm, thank God. 14 under 8 is 1703, and difference 7 is 21. 1703 plus what? 21 will give me 1724. So I have 1724 here. And we have 2 at the front, so we'll multiply by 2 times 2. This will give me 8, 4. 2 times 7, 14. 14, 4 carry 1. 2 times 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. So I have my 3, I have my what? 0. 4, 8. 2 times 4 carry 1, yeah. So I have this. So I have 0 points. Now, I've not done my anti-logarithm. My anti-logarithm of 34 under 8 difference 8. 34 under 8 difference 8. 34 under 8 is 2228. Oh, 34 under 4. 2208, and difference 8 is 4. So we have 2208 plus what? Plus 4. Plus 4. 34 under 8. is 2208, and difference 8 is 4. So we add up to have what? 12. 2 carry 1, 1, 2, 2. So our decimal point will be 0 plus 1, which gives us what? This. So we have this square as 2.212 minus 1.487 plus what? 1. So we have 2.487 in brackets. This plus 1 will give me 3.212, and I'll subtract my 1.487. This become what? 12. 12 minus 7 will give me what? 5. Yes, left with 10. 10 minus 8 will give me what? 2. Yes, left with 1. Bring 1 from here. Yes, left with 2. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 will give me what? 7. And 2 minus 1 will give me 1. So I have 1.725 for this word solving of this bracket. So this is like all over 2.487 in brackets 1.725. So coming back to our actual question, we have this expression here. I cannot clean this. To be equal to 0.487 in brackets 4.699 all over 2.487 bracket 1.725. Now I can clean everything. Remember the difference of 2 cube and the sum of what? 2 cube. You need to know it, because without it you can't do anything in this word question. So here we are. So if we've done it down to this position, all we need to do is to use our number and log, because you can see there now the numerator is being combined by multiplication, the denominator is being combined by what? Multiplication. So I have my first value 0.487, and that will give me by 1.48 under 7. 48 under 7 is 68. 48 under 7. 6875. 6875. And I also have 4.699. And that will give me what? 1 digit minus 1 digit is what? 0. So I have 46 under 9, difference 9. 46 under 9 is 6712 plus 8 will give me 6720. 6720. Yeah. So multiplication is to add. So I'll add the word numerator. This will give me 5. This will give me 9. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 carry 1. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 carry 1. 1 minus 1 will give me what? 0. Plus 0 will give me what? 0. So I have 0.3595 for my what? Numerator. So for my denominator, I have 2.487. 2 is 1 digit, so I have 1 minus 1, 0 points. And I'll check 24 under 8, difference 7. 24 under 8, difference 7 here is 12. 24 under 8 is 3945. 3945. 3945 plus what? 12 will give me 7593. So I have 395 what? 7. And that of this 1.725. 1 digit for the decimal, so I have my characteristics as what? 0 points. So I'll check 17 under 2 difference 5. 17 under 2 is 2355. Difference 5 is 12. 2355 plus 12. 2355 plus 12. This will give me 7632. So I have 2367. 2367. Now, I have to add the denominator because they are combined by what? Multiplication. Bracket is same as multiplication. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 carry 1. Here will give me 6. 5 plus the 1 I carry 6. Plus this is 12. 2 carry what? 1. Plus this 1. Plus this 9. 10. 13. 3 carry 1. 4. 6. Point what? 0. So extend this to this other side. I have 0.6324. This is my what? Denominator, remember. Denominator. So I have this way. Division has to do with what? Minus. 5 minus 4 will give me what? 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 3 minus 6 cannot. Take 1 from here will come minus 1. Here become 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 will give you what? 7. So here becomes 7. So there becomes 7. And I have minus 1, minus 0. Because my 0 have become minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0 will still give me what? Minus 1. So minus 1 is what? By 1 points. Now, I cannot look for my what? Antilogarithm. So I'll look for antilog of 72 under 7 difference 1. 72 under 7 difference 1. Difference 1 already is 1. So 72 under 7 is 5333. So it becomes 5334. 5334. Now, by 1 mean I should have 1 0 before my value. So I have 0.5334 as my final what? Answer. So let's verify if we are even correct. Let's use our calculator. We have 1.487 raised to power 3 equals this minus 1 equals this. So we have in brackets answer divided by in brackets 1.487 raised to power 3 plus 1 close brackets equal. So we have 0.5335, 0.5358 and so on. So to 4 decimal places will give us what we got there, 0.5336. So this approximately to what? 3 significant figure will give us 0.533. And this is our final words answer. Thank you. We have 3.87 raised to power 3 plus 20 divided by 3.87 raised to power 3 minus 20. How are we to do this? First, we must do everything possible to convert this addition and subtraction sign to either division or multiplication. And we know that this 20 is same thing as cube root of 20 raised to power 3 because of cube we cancel what? Cube roots. So we therefore have 3.87 raised to power 3 plus the cube root of what? 20 raised to power 3 all over 3.87 raised to power 3 minus the cube root of what? 20 raised to power what? 3. Now this can be written as difference of what? 2, sum of 2 cube, and this difference of what? 2 cube. Sum of 2 cube is simply A. If I'm using A and B, if I have A raised to power 3 plus B raised to power 3, this will give me A plus b in brackets a square minus ab plus b square. And for difference of 2 cubed, I'll have a minus b in brackets a square plus ab plus b square. Now, we take our a as this, and we take our b as this. So, we have this expression as 3.87 raised to power, rather 3.87 sum of 2 square, which is the top, plus the third root of 20 raised to power what? 3. But we are not using this because b is a is equals to 3.87 and b is equals to what? The third root of what? 20. So we've gotten the first, and we'll do our second bracket a, which is 3.87 using this square minus ab. A is 3.87, ab means a times b. So b is what? The third root of what? 20, close brackets, plus what? B square, which is third root of what? Third root of what? 20 square. All over. So difference now, we're doing difference of what? The 2 cube. So we have a, which is 3.87 minus the value of b is what? Third root of what? 20. Close bracket. In brackets, every other thing becomes what? Plus here. So we pick this the way it is. 3.87 square plus 3.87 in bracket 3 root what? 20. This is the third root. Bracket plus 3 third root of what? 20 what? Square. So this is it. So we no longer need that expression again since we've used it. Now we'll try to resolve this. Now I have 3.87. I'll put my plus sign. How do we know the third root of 20? Let's use our logarithm table to do that. So we have third root of 20, which is written as 20 raised to power 1 over 3. So I can put log here. I'll have 20 raised to power 1 over 3. I can bring my 1 over 3 to the front. So 1/3 of log what? 20. And log 20 should give me 3010, which is 20 under 0. So we have 3010. But our characteristics is 2 digits, so we'll subtract 1. So we have 1. So we have 1.3010 divided by what? 3 here. Now, 3 divided by 1 cannot. I'll write my word 0 point. Here become 13. 3 into 13 is 4. Remainder what? 1. 3 into 10 is what? 3. Remainder 1. Into 11. Into 11 is what? 3. Remainder 2. So it becomes 20. Into 20 will give me what? 6. So I have this. Now I'll check the antilog of it. Antilog of 43 under 3 difference 6. 43 under 3 difference 6 first is 4. 43 under 3 is 2, 7, 10. So it becomes 2, 7, 14. 2, 7, 14. 0, if I had 1, become 1. So this become my what? Value of the third root of 20. So I'll put that here. I have 2.714. So I can do the same at the bottom if I choose to. 3.87. Yes, minus 2.714. This bracket, this bracket. Now, I also have 3.87 square. I'll use log to save my time also. You can square it. You can say 3.87 times 3.87 if you choose to. So I'll just use log. I have log 3.87 square. Bring my 2 to the front, or I have 2 log 3.87. So this is what? 3. So we have 2 log 3.87. Now, this is what? Characteristics becomes 0. So I have 0 points. I have 0 points. So I have 38 under 7. 38 under 7 is 2438. 2438. 2438. So I'll multiply by my 2 I have here. 2 times 7, 2 times 8 will give me 16. 6 carry what? 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. And 2 times 0, 0. So I have this. So I'll check 48 under 7, difference 6 for anti-logarithm. Since we've used log though, let's see. Log of 38 under 7. Okay, this is anti-log, sorry. So log of 38 under 7, 38 under 7 give me 5877. 5877. So I'll multiply by 2. 2 times 7 is 14, 4 carry 1, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 carry 1, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry 1, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, 1. So I have this. So I'll look for my anti-logarithm of 17 under 5, difference 4. 17 under 5. 17 under 5, difference 4 is 1. So I have 1497. 1497. Let me check again. 17 under 5. 1496 plus 1. 1497. So 2, 1 plus 1 give me 2. So I have the value of 3.87 to give me 14.97. So I have 14.97 minus, here also will give me 14.997, yes. Why here is minus, here is what? Plus. So we have also the third root of 20. But remember, the third root of 20 is 2.714. So we have 3.87 in brackets 2.714, close bracket. So this is the same. 3.87 in brackets 2.714, close bracket. So we have third root of 20 square. Third root of 20 square is same as saying 20 raised to power 2 over 3. So if I have this, I will include my log, and this will come to the front, become 2 over 3 log 20. So log 20, the characteristics should give me what? Characteristics should give me 1. And 20 under 0, 20 under 0 is 3010. So I have point 3010. So first I'll multiply by 2 before I divide by 3, because multiplying by 2 will give a better accuracy instead of dividing by 3 first. So times 2 will give me what? 02062. So I'll divide this by what? 3. Divided by 3. Here will give me 0. Carry 2. 26. So I have 7, 8. 8 remainder 2. My 2 is here. And this will give me 6. 6 remainder 2. And this will give me 7 remainder 1. And this will give me what? 3. So I have this value. Now I have to look for my antilog of it. So antilog of 86 under 7. 86 under 7, difference 3 is 5. 86 under 7 is 7362. So plus 5, 7367. 7367. 7367. Yeah. So this is 0 plus 1, 1. So I have my decimal point here. So I therefore have plus 7.367 and these brackets plus also 7.36 what? 7. Now we had this side and I'll subtract the other side. Now this 3.87 plus 2.714. This will give me 4, 8, 15, 5 carry 1, 6. This will give me 6.584 in brackets, and I'll subtract this 3.87, let me add 0, and 2.714. This will give me 10. Yes, left with 6. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 7, 1. And this is what? 1. So for the denominator, I have 1.156 in brackets. So what's left is just the inner bracket. So I have 14.97 minus, I'll work this out. I want to bring this to this. Okay, let me just leave it that way. 14.97, this is what? Plus. Now, we can multiply these two. Our here will give me plus 7.367 plus 7.367. So let's multiply. Let's multiply. Let's multiply 3.87 by 2.714. 2.714. So 7 times 4, 14, 14, 28. 8 carry what? 2. 8 times 4, 16, 16, 32. 32, yeah, 34. 4 carry what? 3. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 1 times any value is that same value. So I have 7, 8, 3 here. 7 times 7, 49. 49, 49. I'll have 9, carry 4. 7 times 8, 56. Let's verify. This is 8 times 7, which is what? 2 times 4 times 7. 7 times 4, 14, 14, 28. 28 times 2, which gives you 56. Yeah, 56. 7 times 7, 49. 9 carry 4. This is 56 plus 4, 60. So I have 0, carry what? 6. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. Then 2 times 7, 14. 4 carry what? 1. 2 times 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So add up, I have 8, 10, 11, 1 carry 1, 10, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 3 carry what? 2. This will give me 3, 6, 10, 0, carry 1. 7 plus 7, 14, plus 1, 15, 5, carry 1. This is 9 plus 1, 10. So how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 10.50318. 10.50318. 10.50318. Now, we'll add all the denominators. We've already gotten the top, which is 6.584 in brackets. Now, this and this can add up. I have 14.97 plus 7.367. So if I add up, I'll have 7, 10, 13, 3, carry 1. 10, 13, 3 again, carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12, 2, carry 1, 2. So I have 22.337. So this and this is 22.337. So I'll subtract 10. Subtracting 10.50 318. This is 0, 0. This becomes 10. This left with 9. This left with 6. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. This will give me 3. This become 1. This become 2. 13. 13 minus 5 will give me 8. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So I have this for the final top expression. So yeah, so I have this as 11.83382 in brackets. So this is 1.156 in brackets also. Now I've already added this and this, and that gave me 22.337. So I have 22.337 plus, or add it up to this 10. 10.50318. And that will give me 8, 1, 0, carry 1, 4, 8.23. So I have it as the addition of this to give me 32.84018. So we check with our calculator if this top expression give us this top expression, we can proceed. And if this bottom expression gives us this bottom expression. So let's see. For the top expression, we have 3.87 raised to power 3 plus 20. That gives us 77.96. 77.96 and so on for the top, and the bottom is 3.87 raised to power 3 minus 20 gives us 37.96 and so on. So let's check ours before we proceed. This 6.584 times 11.83382. 77.9, so that's very close, yeah. And the other 1.156 times 32.84018. So we are good to go. So we are using this to replace this now. So I can clean all this except the last expression. So like I said, we are using this 6.584 in brackets 6.584 in brackets 11.8338. We don't need these two because it's more than 4 digits. All over 1.156 in brackets 32.840. Since it's approximated, it's more than this, and we don't need to approximate. You put your 1 the way it is. Now, we are good to go. We can now come back to our actual logarithm, since we've expressed the earlier expression having bracket, which is what? Product multiplication. So we have number and log. We have 6.584. We also have 11.8338. So this is what? 1 digit. So we have 1. 1 minus 1, which is 0 point as our characteristics. This is 2 digits, so we have 1 point. Now we check for 65 under 8. 65 under 8 using our logarithm. 65 under 8 difference 4. 65 under 8 is difference 4 here is 3. So it's 8185. 8185. And we have 11 under 8 difference 3. 11 under 8 difference 3. Difference 3 is 11. And under 8 is 0719. 0719. 11 under 8. Difference 3 is 11. So we have 10, 0 carry 1, 3, 7, 0. So we have 0, 7, 3 what? 0. So remember we have to add up since it's what? Product. So this will give me 5, 10, 11, 1 carry 1, 8, 9, 8.1. So this become my what? Numerator. And I can extend 1.8915. And for the denominator, I have 1.156. Now, this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so I have 0 as my characteristics. So I'll check 11 under 5 difference 6. 11 under 5 difference 6 is 23. 23. So I have 0607. 0607. 11 under 5. 0607 and difference 6 is 23. So I'll put my 23. So I have 0, here become 3, 6, 0. So I have 0, 0, 630. Now I have 32.8401. So I'll check, this will give me what? 1 point. 32 under 8 difference 4. 32 under 8. Difference 4 is 5. So I have 5159 5159 plus 5. 5159 plus 5. Let's verify, please. 32 under 8. 5159, yes. Difference 4 is 5, yeah. So this will give me 14. 4 carry 1, 6, 1, 5. So I have 5, 1, 6 what? 4. Now, it's product again, so I want to add the denominator. This will give me 4, this will give me 9, this will give me 7, this will give me 5, this will give me what? 1. So I can clean those stuffs. So I bring this to the other side. I have 1.5794. Now, because of the division sign, this finally becomes my denominator, remember. Because of the division or subtract. Now, 5 minus 4 is 1. Here become 8, here become 11. 11 minus 9 is what? 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. And 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Now, I'll check 31 under 2 difference 5 using my anti-logarithm table. 31 under 2 difference 1 is 0. So 31 under 2 is 2051. 2051. 31 under 2. 2051, and I have 0. 0 plus 1 will give me 1. So I have 2.051 as my final what? Answer. And to 3 significant figures simply gives me what? 2.015. You can use your calculator to check the actual question, which is this. If it gives you an approximated value of this, and this can also be written as what? 2.1 to 2 significant what figure. And that is your what? 2.1 to 2 significant figure, yeah. And that becomes your final answer because logarithm says the best answer is always accurate to what? 2 significant what? Figure. Thank you. So thanks to everyone who have subscribed so far, and thanks to those who are sharing our videos also. Trust me, this thing is something you really have to understand. You just have to understand it, even if likely you might not see it in your WAEC examination, but you ought to know it. You understand? Because nobody can take what you've known from you. That's the advantage of learning. Thank you, until we see in our new topic, our next topic. God bless you. Thanks.